Gamit.
Hi, ate. Help.
Vlog. I'm in the vlog, yeah?
That's all you say in the vlog and then you don't talk anymore. Oh.
Ikaw muna na-advance siya.
Is that supposed to be British?
I have no idea.
I think you just made an accent. And I don't understand what you're saying.
Ikaw muna na-advance siya.
Can you move the car forward so I can sit in the passenger seat? Amazing.
Oh wait, I did already?
We're going on a road trip. That part of me. No?
I'll go.
Alright. Well, we're just waiting for our passengers. Hello, Lolo. Everyone say hi.
Hello.
You can say, you can speak. Say hi.
Hi daw, hi. Lolo, say hi. Hi, Lolo. The camera, video. We're going on an outing. Beach in December.
We got our
Driving
driver.
to the beach.
I got my driver's license last week.
my driver's license last week. That's like we always talked about.
Driver, yes. Alright. Where are we going?
The beach.
The beach. What are you gonna do?
The fun part about being in the Philippines is the problem is which beach do we go to?
Uh-huh. What beach are we going? I actually don't know
We
where
go
we're
to
going.
the north,
Amazing.
to BATAAN.
BATAAN.
You wrote the satisfying. Satisfying.
You will never
You
satisfy.
wrote making you feel.
Diba ka? May filter.
Let's start again. Hi guys! We're in... Where are we?
PLAYA STRAND.
Hi!
Merry Christmas.
We're in PLAYA at the Strand. So we just entered our accoms right now. And let's start from outside, I guess.
At the back of the
At
cabin.
the back, alright.
The main entrance is actually by the beachfront, but we were led in this part. That's
Alright, so we got this and
what's inside. Oh,
ref. Amazing.
Our frozen goods.
And some payan over here.
Looks like that will be filled in a few hours.
We've got the kitchen. Alright.
The first
Vlogger.
vlogger.
Alright, we got two beds here.
Hello. Well, I
Cozy.
think it's good for
Good for three
Four.
people. Good for 3 to 4
will
people.
maximize.
60 tayo, guys.
sikan.
Alright.
Hi,
So,
Lola.
next we've got
Lolo is-
Lolo over here.
Say hello. Greet your fans, Lolo, and your followers.
Say hi, Lolo. Hello.
Please tell them to subscribe and like the channel. You say like this channel and subscribe.
The dining is here. Still quite a mess.
That's when we go up. Check the.
How are you doing?
Wait, hold on.
I guess. We've got the TV and I don't know, living room. I guess that's what you can call it. And now, welcome to the beach.
Rule number 1.
Always wear
Always wear.
swimsuit.
Here, look. Please use the foot bath. That's the first rule.
So we got a pool here. It's pretty lit, you know, because I don't like sand. I mean, step. What's your step? We've got the beach over here. Are you taking photos already? Got the beachfront and outdoor dining
I'll make them
and black sand. I don't know. We've got the beach over here.
What's your step?
Yeah.
Can you selfie?
sick. Freaking sick.
Yep.
Mommy. No one's gonna take my video.
Rise and jump. Rise and jump.
Alright. Alright, moving on to the second floor. Oh. Lighting. Moving on to the second floor. So we got steps over here. Let's see. A wild gab appeared. The beach. Wild tour guide. It's pretty big and cold.
Bedrooms.
Alright, we got one here with oh, the lighting's actually yo. You're welcome. Remove your mask, remove your mask. Just pose. I got it all on video, just screenshot it. And there's a mirror. Alright, let's see what's out there. I was about to walk into the
Appreciate it.
hello.
Mess everything up.
Yo, the lighting's actually so lit. Look, it's just. Can you take a photo? Alright, we've got 2 rooms left. So we just went to the balcony one. Oh. Amazing. It rooms so much. Hello? It's my pocket. Nobody's there. I think it is.
Hello.
Banyo tour.
Hindi na ba ako naiinit?
We got a shower room here. It's pretty big.
Listen mo.
Okay, just pee. Let it go. Let it go. The last room. A wild Gabriel? Now for the last room, it's probably the same. Yep, it is exactly the same. Oh, this house has a lot of rooms. And it is very spacious, yes.
Hi. Merry Christmas.
Ate. Ate. Paul. Yes. All right.
Soda.
Bless.
Soda. Soda.
Bless. Soda. Say hi. Oh my gosh, it's low bat.
Yes. You're now part of this. I'm helping Nika with the footage. Hello. Oh, there's fish. So much fish. Can I get a piece? Yoink the piece. We're drowning Paolo. I am documenting these happenings.
Wala lang tayo pang hapunan. Wala lang ginawin, sir.
Hello. I'm taking cooking video. POV video again, Paolo. And there's really nothing to see. Poker B-roll. Are there tones here, Kuya Jago, that I'm missing out?
Give it na if I cut it.